Hi everyone. So for today, let's have the reviewer test for the second summative of Math 9. Okay, for grade 9 naman po. Okay, so again, this is just an example of a summative. It's only a review or hindi po ito yung exact test that will come up on your summative. Okay, so take this as a reviewer lang po. Okay, number 1. So what is the domain of -2, 5, 0, 7, 3, and 9? So again, when we say domain po, domain is the values of x. So for this one, okay, so again, domain is x. Ang range po natin ay y. Okay, so we have -2, 0, 3. So that is letter B. -2, 0, 3. What is the range? So for range, again, that will be your y values. So we get 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9, that will be D. Kung may repeated na numbers po, isang beses lang siya isusulat. Okay. Next, number 3, which restriction gives the domain of y is equal to 1 over x minus 4? Okay, so yung atin pong denominator, hindi siya pwedeng maging 0. Okay, so it means x minus 4 should not be equal to 0. So x should not be equal to positive 4. Letter A. Next, number 4, which statement gives the domain y is equal to square root of x plus 2? Okay, so for number 4, okay, so when we have a square root, okay, hindi po siya dapat maging negative. Okay, so our values should be always greater than or equal to -2. Letter C. Okay, so again, hindi pwede maging negative yung ating nasa loob ng square root. Okay, number 5, which interval represents x such that x is from -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to positive 4. Okay, so for number 5, we got -3 to positive 4. Okay, so since meron tayong equal to, bracket po yung gagamitin. Yan. Pag siya ay greater than or less than parentheses. 6 is the relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, so that is a relation. Okay, so again, for our set of ordered pairs to be a relation, dapat walang repeated values of x or repeated values for domain. 7. What is the slope of the line through 1, 2, 3, 6? So again, our slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's have 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 1. This will be 4 over 2. That is equal to positive 2. Okay, so 2 units up per 1 unit right. Letter D. 8. What is the y-intercept of y equals mx plus b? 4x minus 7. So slope-intercept form mx plus b. So m is our slope. B is your y-intercept. Okay, so our y-intercept is letter C, -7. Number 9, which equation represents a linear function? Okay, a linear function will have letter A, 3x plus 2. Highest exponent will be 1 when you say linear. 10. The table has x values of 0, 1, 2, and y values of 3, 5, 7. So y is the relation linear. Okay, so because the y values changes by 2. So there's a common difference. Okay, so this one, it's letter B. 11. What is the x-intercept of y is equal to x minus 5? So if they were asking for the x-intercept, you have to set y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to x minus 5. So our x, that is equal to positive 5. Letter C. Okay, next, number 12. A taxi charges a 40 pesos base fare plus 10 pesos per kilometer. Which equation models the total fare y for x kilometers? Okay, so we'll have here, okay, a base fare. So your constant will be 40, 10 pesos per kilometer. So this will be 10x. Letter D. Y is equal to 10x plus 40. 13. In a graph of total fare versus distance traveled, which is the independent variable? Okay, so our independent variable will be the distance. Okay, yung fare natin, that will be your dependent variable. 14. A seller earns 200 pesos for each photo card. How many photo cards must be sold to earn 2,600? Okay, so that will be y is equal to 200 x. Okay, so they were asking how many photo cards if she earned 2,600. So 2,600 is equal to 200x. So just divide both sides with 200. Okay, so value will be letter A, 13. Next, 15. A taxi charges 40 pesos plus 10 pesos per kilometer. What is the total fare for 6 kilometers? Okay, so charges, again, we get y equals 10x plus 40. So they were asking total fare if 6 kilometers. So we get 10 times 6 plus 40. So we get 60 plus 40, which is equal to 100. 16 in y is equal to 15x plus 200. What does 15 represent? Okay, so 15 represent the rate per unit. Okay, rate per unit. Okay, so again, slope is rate per unit also. That's the application of our slope. 17. Which point is on the graph y equals to x plus 4 when x is equal to 1? So just change your x into 1. So 2 times 1 plus 4. We get 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Letter A. 18. What is the range of y, the absolute value of x? Okay, so for 18, all values will be positive. Okay, so since our absolute value is the distance from 0, so yung distance natin laging positive. Greater than dapat. 19. A graph is the horizontal line y is equal to 3. What is its range? Okay, so 19, that's at 3. A phone plan costs 1,500 plus 10 pesos for each extra minute. What is the total cost for 25 extra minutes? Okay, so that will be 10 extra minute x plus 1,500. So they were asking if it's 25 minutes. So 10 times 25 plus 1,500. Okay, so our y, that is equal to 1,750 total monthly cost. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Okay, so again, take this as a reviewer. Good luck on your summative po.